Assalamu alaikum, everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a special one, perfect for iftar during the blessed month of Ramadan. We're going to learn how to make a delicious and affordable homemade Nigerian chicken jollof rice. This recipe is beginner-friendly, so if you're new to cooking or just looking for a tasty dish to prepare, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we dive into the cooking process, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. Ingredients: 1. 2 cups of long-grain parboiled rice. 2. 500 grams chicken, cut into pieces. 3. 2 cups of tomato puree. 4. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 5. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 6. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 7. 1 green bell pepper, chopped. 8. 3 medium-sized tomatoes, diced. 9. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 10. 2 teaspoons thyme. 11. 2 teaspoons curry powder. 12. 2 teaspoons smoked paprika. 13. 2 bay leaves. 14. Salt and pepper to taste. 15. 4 cups chicken broth or water. 16. Optional. Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Adjust to taste. Preparation. Now that we have our ingredients, let's move on to the preparation. 1. Marinate the chicken. In a bowl, combine the chicken pieces with half of the chopped onions, minced garlic, thyme, curry powder, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes, or you can leave it in the fridge overnight for more flavor. 2. Prepare the base. In a pot, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the remaining chopped onions and sauté until they become translucent. 3. Build the flavor. Stir in the tomato puree and let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add the diced tomatoes, red and green bell peppers, and bay leaves. Cook until the mixture thickens, and the oil starts to separate from the tomatoes. 4. Cook the chicken. Add the marinated chicken to the pot and cook until it's browned on all sides. Pour in the chicken broth or water, cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes until the chicken is fully cooked. 5. Prepare the rice. Rinse the parboiled rice under cold water until the water runs clear. Add the rice to the pot with the chicken and sauce. Stir gently to combine. 6. Season and cook. Season with additional salt, pepper, and any extra spices you desire. If you like it spicy, you can add chopped Scotch bonnet pepper. This usually takes about 20-25 minutes. While our jollof rice is cooking, I want to take a moment to talk about the significance of sharing a meal during Ramadan. Ramadan is a time of reflection, gratitude, and generosity. Sharing a homemade meal with family and friends during Iftar is a beautiful tradition that brings people together. Alright, it's been about 25 minutes, and our jollof rice should be ready. Look at that beautiful color and aroma. Our homemade Nigerian chicken jollof rice is ready to be served. You can serve it with a side of salad, grilled chicken, or your favorite chutney. There you have it. A mouth-watering, affordable, and beginner-friendly homemade Nigerian chicken jollof rice. Perfect for iftar during Ramadan or any special occasion. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen today. I hope you give this recipe a try and share it with your loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel, and hit the notification bell, so you never miss a delicious recipe. Wishing you all a blessed Ramadan filled with joy, love, and great food. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much Nigerian chicken jollof rice lovers.